guys, Kelly with Swole Kitchen here. You know what? Superman cannot be around kryptonite. Just like people on keto or low carb diets can't be around carbohydrates. But that doesn't matter. We still feel like superheroes and we still need a grilled cheese sandwich. So I'm going to show you how to make a low carb, high fat grilled cheese sandwich. Fly with me this way. Together, microwave them for 90 seconds. You're going to put them in the pan and you're going to cook it just like you would a normal grilled cheese. For me, I do 3 pieces of cheese, some mayonnaise on it, and some butter. Make it how you like. You're going to love it.